Hey guys, I've got the wheels pulled off the old Tahoe. There's a sway bar, the end link on this side. And here's a sway bar end link on this side. So I was doing an oil change and I realized, yeah, sway bar end link's gone. So we're going to change those out today. Well, the air compressor goes off right about now. Yeah, when you got a big 3/4 inch impact, it doesn't take too long. The new part number is SL89HD. Comes with this stuff here, and it's metal instead of plastic. I'm sure, judging from the look of this old bolt, it's yeah, it was due to be replaced anyway. I can't really blame the old one. Hang on a second. Hang on. So, I don't know what this says. Whatever, part number, whatever. So let's go ahead and put this guy in real quick. You want to tighten him up until, you don't want to over tighten him, but you do want to try to get the rubber at least as wide as that washer. So, hang on. All right, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 threads. This one here is about right. This one here is a little bit over tight, but I figure they will kind of, they will even themselves out. So, all right, guys. I can't really use two hands here, but with this extra bushing here on there, the threads aren't even showing. So we're gonna, oh shit, hang on. Jack up on just the bolt. Make sure you put the correct side down. This side is flanged. Camera's a little wonky. This side is flanged to go down. Well, anyway. And now I've got just enough bolts or threads showing to start the nut. Like I said, I mean, you can jack it up just a little bit more, but now release the jack and it started for you. This side looks about the same. Like I said, the top one looks a little bit over tight. The other one's, oh shit, it's not even really lined up all that well with the bottom, but it should, when you cycle the suspension a few times, it should even itself out.